So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here at Thai Tantric Restaurant inside the Orchard building tower. Okay. So this is my most beautiful charot. This is the first what is this?
Thai
Pass. Pass. Oh, this is Tom Yum. Tom Yum soup. Yeah. Tom Yum seafood soup. Ano ba? Ayun na yun. And this is the
chicken.
Chicksinog.
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken. And this is what?
The milk tea.
Milk tea
with love. Milk tea with milk.
Ang hirap. Pwede ka naman mag-Tagalog. Ayun na, paparating na po si Sir. Charot. Ano ayaw niya? Ayan. Wow! Oh, thank you so much! So delicious. Pork. Look at the garlic and look at the egg. Oh! Nice. So let's eat. Let's eat. Hi! O first, ano, subo? Wow. For how many months you, hindi mo siya natikman? Oh, February. Ay, March. Muna tayo mag-usap. Wow, ang galing.
Okay lang, tayo ano kayo din. Kumigit na ba?
Oo, inaano niya na lang.
Hinuhuli nga na para na naman.
So, our baby here is 2 months old.
Iiyak kaya siya pag nilaki.
I-shake na lang natin.
Kaya may luya dito, kakainin mo. Kung nasa, maano ka na naman.
Shake na lang natin. Wait lang. Ayan yung parang. Pwede mo siya ganun lang. Try. Okay, let's eat. Pang commercial. Bakit nag-ano kayo doon? Malay ko. Ang tag dito, bakit kayo kanina parang nag-ano, kanina sa bayad? Mag-ano ka na? Pay now.